Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast, where we make learning English easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. I'm really excited for today's topic, Anna. What are we diving into?
Today, we're tackling social anxiety. Now, I know that might sound a bit daunting, but trust me, we'll break it down into simple terms. If you feel nervous when talking to new people, this episode is definitely for you. You're not alone in this. Plenty of people feel the same, especially when they're learning a new language like English.
Oh, wow, that's so true. I remember when I went to that networking event last year and I felt like I was about to pass out. What's the first thing we should know about social anxiety?
Great question. So, social anxiety is when you feel really nervous or self-conscious when you're around other people. It might feel like your heart's racing and your mind's racing with all these worries about what to say or how you'll act. It's totally normal, but, it can feel even stronger for those learning English.
Right. So it's like the pressure is doubled, right? Oh, man. Can you share an example of a situation where someone might experience social anxiety?
Absolutely. Let's talk about starting a new job. Picture this. You walk into an office on your first day and, oh boy, there are all these unfamiliar faces looking back at you. It's intimidating. A simple icebreaker is just to say hello or good morning. Sometimes these small gestures can make a huge difference.
That makes so much sense. If I say something like, I'm new here, what's your name? It could help a lot, huh?
Exactly. Introducing yourself is a great way to engage. You could say, my name is Anna, or I'm Mark. Just putting that out there can really ease the tension.
Wow, that's really helpful. So what about going to an English class? Is that another common place for social anxiety?
Yes, definitely. Imagine being in a classroom full of people who are just as nervous as you are, right? Connecting with everyone can still feel tricky. A simple opener would be asking, is this the English class? It's an easy way to break the ice since all your classmates are there for the same reason.
I bet everyone feels that nervousness before class. But what if I don't know anyone? Like, how do I start a conversation with complete strangers?
That's a great concern. Talking to strangers can be easy with small talk. For example, you could comment on the weather, saying something like, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Small talk is all about light, approachable topics. Trust me, people often appreciate that friendly connection.
Ooh, that makes it seem so much less stressful. Kind of like, just sharing a moment, right?
Exactly. It's about connecting. And remember, even if you're feeling anxious, practice can help. Here's a pro tip. Try talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Sounds quirky, but it works.
Haha. I can just picture myself talking to my reflection. What else can someone do to manage that anxiety?
Deep breathing can help too. Take a big breath right before engaging in conversation. And always remind yourself, the goal is to connect, not to be perfect.
Wow, I feel encouraged already. So, maybe we should, recap the main phrases and tips before we finish up?
Absolutely. So just to recap, remember to greet people simply. Ask about your surroundings and don't forget small talk. Every little conversation is a step forward in your English journey.
Yes, I love that. So, if you're enjoying this episode, Don't forget to tell a friend and subscribe. We want to hear about your experiences and any small conversations that you've had.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll talk to you next week. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.